Hey there, future MBU squirrels. Welcome to Mary Baldwin University. We're so excited to have you joining us this fall. I'm Christina Harris, the Director of Tutoring at the Academic Resource Center, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Handshake, your go-to platform for connecting to your onboard advising coach and setting yourself up for success, even before you step on campus. Now, in addition to connecting with your advising coach, Handshake is also going to help be your bridge to the Academic Resource Center, the library, the Office of Inclusive Excellence, the McCree Center, and so many other departments and services to help make your MBU experience awesome. Let's start with setting up your account. First, check your MBU email inbox for a message from Handshake. The subject line should say, "You have been invited to Handshake." As you're scrolling through that email, click the link, "Confirm my account," to activate your account. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. Make sure it's something strong, secure, and easy to remember. When logging into Handshake, especially for the first time, log in using your Handshake credentials. That way, you can use the password you just created, and it will help you with single sign-on when you get on campus. Once you're logged in, it's time to make your first appointment with your onboarding advising coach. And here's how. While you're on the dashboard, click Career Center on the left side of the navigation bar on your dashboard. Next, you're going to click Appointments. Then schedule a new appointment. From here, you're going to choose the category New Student Advising. Now, you're going to get an email from Mary Baldwin detailing who your onboarding advising coach is. And so based on that name, you're going to choose the appointment type. So for example, if your appointment is with Jada Smith, we're going to click Jada Smith. So we can see with the blue, the highlighted blue, that this person, your advisor, is going to be available, or this person is available for an appointment. And so, for example, if this day doesn't work, we can hit this right arrow and see all the other days that she is available. If you scroll down, you can see that Jada is available from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And so we can pick any time in between. Let's choose 2 p.m. Let's double check, make it for Tuesday. Make sure you click it. Tuesday, June 24th, 2025, and I'll have it for 2 p.m. So anytime you come to this page, you want to make sure you're giving the right details. And so for appointment medium, that's just how you want to have the appointment, whether it's one-on-one or virtual. And since you'll most likely be at home, we're going to make it a virtual appointment. Next, you always want to add a little something about what this appointment's going to be about. So go ahead and put advising appointment. Then you'll hit that green button on the bottom right corner to request it. From there, your advising coach is going to get an email saying that you've requested an appointment. And once they approve it, you're going to get another email about that. When it's time for the appointment, you can either join the appointment through your email or by logging into Handshake. Now, here's the fun part. We'll be hosting 2 summer orientation days on Saturday, June 28th and July 19th, right here on campus. If you're able to come visit, you'll get a chance to meet your coach in person, check out the campus, and get a little taste of what life is like at MBU before August move-in. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So let's recap. You activated your Handshake account. Yes. You made your first virtual coaching appointment. Kudos. And you know when you can come visit us in person. You're off to a really great start. And remember, you don't have to know everything right away. Just stay curious, stay connected, and we'll guide you every step of the way. We can't wait to meet you virtually and in person. See you soon.